Like most business owners, you probably want your shipping and receiving operations to be as efficient as possible. It can be a challenge, but with the right tools and strategies in place, it's doable. In this video, we will discuss some tips for making your shipping and receiving process more efficient. Stay tuned. What are shipping and receiving? Retail and wholesale establishments often have shipping and receiving departments or operations. Shipping is the process of sending goods out to customers, while receiving is the opposite, the process of accepting goods from vendors. It can involve a lot of time-consuming paperwork and other administrative tasks. So finding ways to streamline both processes is important. Manufacturing companies also have shipping and receiving operations. The shipping process typically involves sending finished products to customers and receiving, generally referring to accepting raw materials from suppliers. Tips for making shipping and receiving more efficient. Invest in shipping software. One of the best ways to make shipping more efficient is by using a shipping software. This software enables you to manage shipping data, track packages and costs, generate shipping labels, and more. Utilize automation. Automation can play a significant role in streamlining shipping and receiving operations. It could include using automated shipping systems like robots or conveyor belts for packaging orders and barcode scanners for quickly scanning products. Employ shipping experts. Having knowledgeable shipping and receiving personnel can help ensure operations run smoothly. Shipping experts should have excellent organizational skills, be up to date on shipping rules and regulations, and have a good knowledge of shipping software. Streamline paperwork. Paperwork is unavoidable in shipping and receiving, but you can make the process more efficient by streamlining documentation. It could involve switching to digital documents or creating template paperwork that can be quickly filled out. To learn more about other modes of transportation and logistics, check out our previous video. The different types of shipping and receiving. Businesses often rely on shipping and receiving for all their products, materials, and supplies. But when it comes to shipping and receiving, there are several different types of shipping methods available to get items from point A to point B. Here's a quick overview of the most common shipping and receiving methods. Ground shipping. This is the most popular and least expensive shipping option. Ground shipping typically involves shipping items using ground transportation such as trucks or trains. Air shipping, sometimes called expedited shipping. Air shipping is quicker than ground shipping but more expensive. It usually involves shipping products through an airline company specializing in air shipping goods. Sea shipping. This shipping method is perfect for large and heavy items, as it's the cheapest shipping option available when shipping overseas. It typically involves shipping goods via container ships or cargo vessels. Rail shipping. Rail shipping is a great alternative to ground shipping as it tends to be faster and more cost-effective. It typically involves shipping items by train and is usually used for heavy cargo. How to ship and receive products. Handling procedures for shipping and receiving products can take time and effort. Information and shipping instructions must be clear and precise to ensure accuracy and efficiency. Here's a guide to shipping and receiving products like a pro. Inspecting the shipping condition. Whether shipping or receiving, you need to check that your products are packaged and secured to ensure they arrive safe and sound. Check for signs of damage on the package, including any dents, tears, or other deformities. Documenting the shipping process. When shipping products, it's important to document all shipping details, such as package weight, the shipping method chosen, and estimated delivery time. It helps ensure that your product arrives on time and in its original condition. Other shipping documents to include are shipping insurance and shipping terms to protect you from any issues that may arise. Tracking shipping and delivery. When shipping products, it's important to track their shipping progress. It helps you keep an eye on where your product is and ensures that it will arrive in time for its destination. For receiving shipments, tracking can ensure that you get your product as soon as possible. Ship with confidence and never worry about your products again. To make this process easier, we have an excellent tool to help you follow the progress of your shipment every step of the way. This tool leverages technology to give you complete visibility throughout each step of your shipment's journey. To learn more about this tool, continue on. Affiliate disclaimer. Frate Chain is supported by our viewers. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Thank you. Learn more. Motive has everything you need to ensure that your delivery goes off without any hitches. With their easy-to-use app, drivers can track hours and get an inspection report on the go. No more wasted time or stressed-out customers. Check out Motive today. If you want to learn more about logistics, check out our previous video. The benefits of shipping and receiving. Every business wants to maximize shipping and receiving efficiency, and for a good reason. Let's find out why shipping and receiving can benefit your business. Shipping and receiving increases productivity. by ensuring that shipments are handled quickly. Shipping and receiving helps ensure that operations run smoothly with minimal delays or disruption. This, in turn, leads to increased productivity as teams will be able to handle tasks more efficiently and effectively. It promotes customer satisfaction. Customers want products to arrive quickly and in good condition. Shipping and receiving help to ensure that customer orders are handled promptly, resulting in happier customers who will be more likely to purchase from you again. It reduces costs. Shipping and receiving eliminate the need for manual processes that can take up time and resources. Streamlining shipping and receiving processes helps to reduce shipping costs and optimize the overall cost of operations. When it comes to shipping and receiving, there are many benefits. These three are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the advantages that shipping and receiving can bring to your business. From increasing productivity and customer satisfaction to reducing costs, shipping and receiving is an essential part of operating any successful business. Common shipping and receiving mistakes. Shipping and receiving mistakes can be costly and time-consuming. Here are some shipping and receiving mistakes to watch out for. Wrong shipping address. Double-check before the shipping that the recipient's information is accurate. Underestimating shipping weight. This can lead to delays, added shipping fees, and potential damage to the package if it's overloaded. Not using appropriate packaging. Unprotected items shipped in a box may be damaged during transit and require costly repairs or replacements. Ignoring shipping regulations. Different shipping services may have different rules and regulations to adhere to. Make sure you're shipping items in accordance with all applicable laws. Forgetting to label packages correctly. Remember to put an address or shipping instructions on the package can lead to delays or, worse, lost packages. Dangerous goods shipping. Only try shipping hazardous goods with proper packaging and labeling. It could lead to serious consequences. Appropriate storage areas. Make sure shipping and receiving areas are organized and clean so your goods are safe from damage or theft. The warehouse environment must be suitable for the shipping and safekeeping of goods. Careers in the shipping and receiving field. Let us also unlock interesting careers in the shipment field. Here are some of the interesting jobs in shipping and receiving. Shipping and receiving clerk. Shipping and receiving clerks are responsible for ensuring shipments arrive on time, verifying that shipping information is accurate, and providing customer service. Inventory manager. Inventory managers work with shipping and receiving clerks to keep accurate records of stock, orders, shipping information, and receipts. Logistics specialist. Logistics specialists are responsible for planning shipping routes, scheduling the transportation of goods, tracking shipments, and monitoring the costs associated with shipping. If you'd like to learn more about other careers in the transportation field, check out our previous video. Final thoughts. Shipping and receiving are vital components of any successful business. They ensure that products arrive safely and efficiently at their destination and can make or break a customer's experience. When shipping, it is important to find a reliable shipping provider that can meet the needs of your business. Researching shipping rates, delivery times, tracking information, and other shipping details can help ensure that shipping is done correctly. On the receiving end, it is important to make sure that you have an accurate inventory system in place. It allows you to keep track of what has been ordered and received so that everything is accounted for when orders are placed. Overall, shipping and receiving are critical components of any business, and having a streamlined process in place can help make sure that orders are sent and received quickly and accurately. With proper shipping and receiving practices, companies can ensure that their customers have an enjoyable experience. Thanks for checking out our shipping and receiving video. Disclaimer: Frate Chain provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional advice. You should always consult a freight shipping expert before making any decisions.